Senior engineering students at Florida State University's Panama City campus are hard at work on their capstone projects. After years of hard work, it's one of the few things left to complete before they walk the stage next spring. News 13's Caitlin Lawrence was there when 5 groups of seniors presented their project designs. She joins us now with the story. Now, Caitlin, this is a degree requirement.
Jerry, that's right. Seniors are spending 2 semesters working on a senior design project. They're using what they learned throughout their college career and applying it to some hands-on experience. Family, friends of the students, and engineering professionals gathered on campus this morning to check out the initial designs. Local engineering industries such as engineers at the Naval Surface Warfare Center Panama City mentor and sponsor the group. Students either redesign an existing project or create one from the ground up for their mentor or sponsor to use. They say they're enjoying this practical experience, especially working with their mentors.
We're brand new at this. We're basically like open slates, and we need the sort of the guidance. You know, that's the wrong direction and things like that.
It's a lot easier to be hands-on. I mean, sometimes we get stuck in the classroom studying all the time, but it's nice to actually apply what we've learned to a project.
Most groups will build their designs in the spring semester and present the final projects in late April. Coming up tonight on News 13 at 6, a look at some of the projects and where you could possibly see them in action next year.
We'll look forward to it. Thank you, Caitlin. They've put in years of hard work, and now they're tackling one of the few things standing in their way of a college degree. Senior engineering students at Florida State University's Panama City campus are designing some unique pieces of technology for their capstone projects.
News 13's Caitlin Lawrence was there when 5 groups presented their designs this morning. Caitlin, the community could soon see some of these projects in action next year.
That's right, Jerry. Seniors work with industry professionals to redesign or create a project that a local company could use in its business.
It's nice to actually apply what we've learned to a project.
Senior engineering student Lucas Tucker and his group members are applying the lessons they've learned in class to their senior design project. They're using electromagnetic energy to launch a disc like this one into the air.
This is actually just a demonstration to give the kids to show them that you can store an energy and then use it elsewhere.
I had a need for our education outreach program, the Science Brothers, and I said this would be a good project for students to learn to cut their teeth on while they're in their last year here at Florida State.
The group's mentor, Bill Porter, an engineer at the Naval Surface Warfare Center, is helping the seniors redesign a safer electromagnetic pulse disc launcher. Porter will use the new version to show young students how fun science can be. And another group is also designing an interactive project for children.
It'll have bubbles, it'll have lights, and it'll have 130 push buttons. So we're hoping that those are 3 things kids like to interact with.
Stephanie Smith and her group members are building an interactive bubble exhibit for the Science and Discovery Center of Northwest Florida. Children will be able to create their own designs with bubbles and lights.
Hopefully in April we'll have an exhibit to provide to the museum, because they really do need new exhibits there.
Most groups will complete their projects this spring and present them in late April. Their professors say the projects are great accomplishments they can add to their resumes.
It was showtime for the electrical engineering students at Florida State University Panama City campus. Electrical engineering students gathered together to present their senior design projects in the FSU Panama City Holly Academic Center lecture hall. Projects covered a full range of topics. They provided solutions to traffic engineering problems that improve the flow of traffic, to remotely controlling electronic impulse forces wirelessly, and innovative ways to improve radar using coffee cans and specialized electronics. Each semester, the students present their projects to the student body, faculty, family, and friends. The demonstrations are open to the public, but if you miss this session, the next one is scheduled for April 24th, 2014.